So once again, no? So here, first treatment yan, here.
Sige.
Okay.
Mana.
Mana.
Sige, sir.
Okay, thank you, Daka. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Doc. There, no? So, again, thanks na. So, dentist doctor, no? Again, malagi lang, no? Himo nito, here. Again, kusog kayo. Sakit na nga, Loy? Di sad kayo. Again, pinakabi na. Oh. And then, na magoy gawa ng Amerika, gawa ng Germany, by which katong portable nga, grabe ni ka, electrical stimulator, gagmay ni kayo, by which useless, no? Nang warta rato sila. Kani here, paabog at kay gawa ng Cebu, no? Sambag dos, nisa. Ano, sambag uno nila. O sa sambag uno, ba nili? Kaning hospitalan at nabutang?
Sambag dos.
Sambag dos pa, no? Again, here, again, electrical stimulator, we do the massage. Then, education, no? Again, education, by which napakita lagi na to, stress test machine, no? Which we invented, no? So again, sa unang panahon, is herbal ng aloy, malagi na, no? Ang gawas to, di takak-blame, by which lagi karon gitawag mo ni siya electronic millennium kay mga bata karon, di naman matakyan siya tong, by which naatan lang sakit, no? Malagi na akong gihimo ning Arwin ergometer, pinakangilngig, no? 14 years, then 2 years nga, without support, family, and financially, no? So again, but with success, together the prayer, no? Mura gini, unya mo lagi itong programa Helping the Neighbors, duha ka bok ang usan namatay tao, no? Sa grupa, by which I can blame, no, the people, by which mga gini nyo giko, ano? Again, it's up to you, yeah? This is money. Again, for the Angelina Jolie, no? Angelina Jolie, mo lagi na akong ikuan ron. So here, kay siya ambassador of the goodwill, and this is for helping my neighbors, no? Helping the poor people, yeah? Prevention is better than cure, no? Again, so, wala sa tay exercises because the time is, what time is it been? So here, again, 7:50, again, ready. Kanya, di lang po na ito hinahinayon lagi na, but sa sunod, perting kusugan na ni. Again, because of our experience, and sa work as in hospital, in the government, mangilog pagitag pasyente, Philippine Orthopedic Center, and kining Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center, by which na master gid siguro nato, no? Muna akong ipangita, by which ubang doktor, mingon silang heart, ang imong gi tanom ni ani nakakaron, no? Malagi ni, again, sala ba ni nga kuwanta, honesta, or pure care, there, no? Again, sinukod, again, please watch sorbeto, no? Sorbeto nga case nga, iyang food, no? Nga i-blender man to karon, kinahinay na, kawa, by which nga karon 10 minutes pagid ang iyahang kung ano, kato iyang ergometer at yung symbol by which nga, wala gito. Nya ang pamilyar ba pa kayo is dapat di pagid kayo kung ano, 100%, by which, malay na, atong harap-harapan, ngani, malagi na, og di pod ako, I have law by God, no? I have law by human and law by God, no? By which nga, gitagan ko aning gift sa Ginoo, because of honest, no? Again, thank you, and good evening.